What's going on, everybody? I am back. Today is June the 27th, 2022. We're going to talk about Amazon today. We're going to give you all a stock prediction after the split. Yes, the stock market, not the stock market, but Amazon has done their stock split recently. You guys can see that now the price per share is around $116, $117. So I wanted to come in and speak to each and every one of you as to whether or not can we still expect the price to go up in Amazon. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. I come through and I show you all just by looking at the price chart to where price is anticipated to go. Yeah, I don't come in and speak to you all about all the other information because it's useless and it is pointless. The only thing that matters is where people are buying and where people are selling. That's it. Everything else is irrelevant in regards to that. What makes people buy? What makes people sell? I could care less as long as I see where they're buying and selling. So go ahead, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I want you all to participate. I want you all to know when I create my videos so that you'll be one of the first ones to see where the newest idea is as to where the market is headed. All right, so real quick, here we are. You guys can see that after the stock split, the market in Amazon has been pretty much hovering around $100 all the way up there to like $130. Okay, that's where we at. This is the new playing field. This is where the buyers and the sellers are mixed up. Everyone's trying to figure out, okay, where's the next bias direction? Is it going to continue to go up, or are we going to see the price in Amazon go down? But guess what? These price bars actually gives us that information. So let's go ahead and talk about it. I wanted to start out looking at the weekly chart real quick in the market in Amazon, because it gives us a whole lot of information, right? If we take a look, all of these weekly price bars, right? And you all begin to see that price in Amazon is being very reluctant into falling below $100, right? So it tells us something like all of these weekly price bars right here. For some reason, the market is not able to trade below those levels. Why? Like I said, we know where buyers are at. We know where the sellers are at. This is where the buyers are at, period. If the market buyers was not there around $100, $102, guess what? Price would have fell. Price would have continued to fall below $100. But all of those weekly price bars, we're seeing the price stay elevated above that. That signifies buyers. It's just that simple. So we're seeing buyers there. And I want you all to see on these weekly price bars right here. Look at this one. We saw the market in Amazon go down, but we closed higher to end the week. Look at this weekly price bar. We saw the market in Amazon trade lower, but we saw the market close on the high of the bar to conclude the week. And again, look at last week. Same identical price bar. Wow. What else do you need to know? From a weekly perspective, we can kind of say it looked like they're trying to take this price higher in Amazon. Can we not? Do you believe what you're seeing on the chart? Because ultimately it's going to come down to knowing what you believe. And for me, I believe the chart. I believe the price. I believe what I see, because people don't lie when it comes to their money. Let's look at Amazon on the 2 weeks, right? So here it is. We have 4 days and 9 hours left on this current 2 weekly price bar, and it looks decent. It looks like the market has found the bottom, momentarily at least. 3 weeks. Okay. Now, it seems like we made a bottom momentarily, because on this last completed 3 weekly price bar, I don't want you all to be complacent. I don't want you all to think that we're done with the market going down in Amazon, because we may not be, because of what we saw right here. And then on top of this 3 weekly price bar, this may just be a pause. All right, I'm not one of those ones to tell you to come in and hold the stock and buy the dip and wait to see if you're going to be profitable in the next 10 years, right? 5 weeks. Okay, because this 5 weekly price bar, we're not out the woods yet of seeing Amazon going down. From this perspective, from this vantage point, This 5-weekly price bar tells us that. Let's look at Amazon on the 3 months then. So this is Amazon on the 3 months. Like, if you're not still a little bit bearish into the market in Amazon, something is not right, because that's massively bearish over the last 3 months. Take a look at Amazon on 6 months. Look at that one. Look at, and when you look at this from a 6 months perspective, we haven't even came and tested this ascending line yet. All right, you guys can see it. We haven't came and confirmed this overall trend that Amazon created, this ascending line. We haven't even came down there yet. And I'm still around $100. We came down like 102, 103. We definitely don't want to see the market break this though. We don't want to see the market in Amazon break this trend, because let's say it does. Let's say the price in Amazon breaks this trend. Guess what? What do you suspect is going to happen next? Exactly. We need to be prepared for a massive crash, plummet, dip in Amazon if we ever see the price break that ascending line that you're looking at right now. I'm just saying. I'm keeping it real with you all. I'm not here to give you no fluff, no FUD, no FOMO. I'm not going to tell you to buy a stock when it's clearly in a downtrend. That's ridiculous. So keep that in mind. Now I'm going to show you all back on the daily, because we may actually see a small move higher in Amazon. I kind of like it, right? I'm still going to play the strength here in this space, because look at this on the 5-day. The market in Amazon is still pretty strong. Now, you guys can see though, even though we're noticing that the price wants to go up, look at this arrow right there. Okay, we need to keep our eyes focused on the last previous high, which is around 125 to 130. That's how high I'm going to look for the market in Amazon to run up. Okay, right around there. So let me go ahead and put this price prediction on the chart in Amazon. Okay, let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with. Now, we're going to continue to expect price to go up in Amazon as long as price stays around like 102. Okay, 102. My first price target is going to be, I'll say like 123, $123 to 125. That's 7.25% movement higher from where the market currently is. Okay, right there. My second one, it's going to be a little bit higher, maybe like 130. Might fall a little bit lower because of that last high that came in on that 2-day price bar on June the 6th. Okay, that's around 10.85% market movement higher. Okay, now this is not, I repeat, this is not one of those buy it and hold it for the next 5 years, because this market downturn is still in play in Amazon. I've shown you all the 3 months. I've shown you all the 6 months price chart, and it shows us the same thing. So I'm just going to look for the price to elevate just a little bit higher, just a little bit. Not going to be massively bullish here though. If we do see price break above 130, then that's even great. That's great. But if not, we won't be worried, because we already know where the sellers are located. All right, so this is where I'm looking for the price in Amazon to move towards. I do like the basis of the fact that buyers came and supported the price 3 times around 102. So that tells me that at least buyers are there, located and situated as a stronghold. Now, once price breaks that to the downside, then we know we need to play the weakness. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.